For the year 2021, salaries and pensions, the CAG says 36,161. This book says 41,819. Sir, the CAG says for 21-22, 44,403.08. The white paper says 48,809. Sir, 22-23, the CAG says 51,082. The white paper says 55,925. So I just want to know who's right. अब ये पूरे इसमें
Sir, here in the page number 18, if you see, sir, here we have to see what is important to note is that the debt figures stated above do not include the off-budget borrowings of the government. Off-budget borrowings include loans availed by the entities outside the government system but guaranteed by the state. The point here is, my learned friend was also a PAC committee chairman. We were both together, sir. Audit accounts, until and unless the audit paras have been cleared, it is not final, sir. So most of the audit paras wouldn't have got finalized. So that may have the reason the RBI report and the audit report is differing. So we thought of taking the clarification and I'll get back to you.
Kindly, sir, please see page 7 in table number 3 and page 10 in table number 5. Same financial figures are different, sir. अब यहां भी ऑडिटिंग होना बाकी है क्या साहब? अब आप बोलिए.